Oh, hi, I'm Melissa. Welcome to Cornerstone. Here at Cornerstone, we have the best company culture, perks, and benefits. Since you're already here, why don't I just show you around? Come on. First, the people. We're a passionate bunch. We love what we do, whether it be building great software or developing relationships with our clients, who just happen to be some of the biggest companies in the world. We use problem solving to come up with cutting-edge solutions.
In today's environment, keeping pace with change just isn't enough. We have to rapidly innovate to get ahead of our changing world of work.
Here, you get to help shape the growth of Cornerstone and the software world. It's one of the many reasons we've been consistently ranked as one of the best places to work. It's the perfect work-life balance.
Cornerstone Beach Day has just begun.
And now let's go to Rayhan for more on our perks and benefits.
At Cornerstone, we're always learning. Learning's at the heart of what we do here, from our software to our people. There's so many ways to develop your career here, from great speakers to online trainings. We even offer tuition reimbursement. This is the perfect place to grow your skills and take your career to that next level.
So if you're smart, cool, and ready to prove it, come join us and realize your potential.